That'll be good too. What kind of sauce is that?
Oh, hey y'all. This is vegan egg rolls, which I've never had before. French fries and that sauce that goes on egg rolls. So Walter wants to taste it. Okay, I'm gonna take a picture. It looks just like meat, but it's not meat. No meat is in it. So I'm gonna try it for the first time. Just a minute. Okay, I'm about to dip this vegan egg roll into this sweet sauce so I can taste it. I think the name of the place is It's Not Meat. Let me taste it again. I don't know what it is, but I can't tell that it's not meat. This is good, y'all. Okay. Well, thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. Okay, bye.